Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I made a video on how to stream to YouTube using FFmpeg from your command prompt, and a viewer commented about how to stream to YouTube like 24/7. You know, some of the YouTuber stream to their channel all the time. Like, look at this channel, Lofi Girl. This channel have a video streaming to the channel all the time. So how do actually they do it? So in order to do that, you have to have a computer which have an internet connection and on all the time, and then you can use FFmpeg, OBS, or any other supported tool to do this. So you can use a server like AWS or GCP to set it up, or if you have a low spec old computer, you can also do that from that computer. You just have to make sure it is on all the time and it have internet connection. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve this. So in order to stream to my channel like 24/7, the command with FFmpeg is pretty much same. You just have to add a new flag, stream loop, and the value is -1, means infinity, means all the time. So command is like typical FFmpeg command to stream to YouTube. You have to set your secret key of streaming, the streaming rtmp congestion server URL, and the bitrate and all other stuff, input video file. You just need to add a flag before the input flag. Okay, so this command is prepared. I'm just copying this, and in this folder I have a video called spring.mp4, and this is another Blender movie. So let's say we want to stream this film 24/7 on my channel. Then I just simply will open my command prompt and be in this directory and paste the command, and it have the flag stream loop -1. Okay, so if I press enter, okay, before pressing enter, so before streaming, let's go to YouTube and click on create and click on go live. And here you have to set the title and description for your upcoming streaming. Everything is set up. This is my secret key, and these are the URL for congestion server. I've already set the name. So name of this stream is Spring, another short film by Blender Foundation. And let's say I want to add to the title that 24/7 streaming example. And let's copy this command to the video description so that people can understand what is going on. Okay, so that's it. I have saved my video title and description, and my command is prepared for going live 24/7 and pasted it here. So it is time to press the enter button and check it here if it is connected or not. Let's just press enter here and see what happens. FFmpeg is saying that the command is executing successfully, so it is time to check here if streaming is started. Yeah, YouTube has captured the streaming and it is saying excellent connection, and I can see the live stream here. So this streaming will not end as long as I stop it from here. Okay, it will continue. So if you actually want to do some streaming 24/7, then you can either have a Raspberry Pi or a spare computer or a cheap cloud plan, so that you don't need to manually do things, and your personal laptop is not ready for this, because you will stop your computer, you will shut down your PC, and that time your streaming will be stopped. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you learned something out of this video, and I hope victory through Jesus' blood, the guy goes by this name, will be helped with this video. And that's it for this tutorial. Until next time, happy streaming.